Hello. So for our third book in the Mo Willem series, it's called There's a Bird on Your Head. And I have a feeling it's going to be a very silly story. So let's start reading and find out. There's a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. Piggy! Is something on my head? Yes. There's a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head? He's waving. Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Uh-oh. Here they come. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love? They are lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? Uh-oh, what do you think's gonna happen? I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? She's inspecting. 1, 2. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone? The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs are hatching on my head? Keep, 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 keep. They have hatched. So cute. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Whoa. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Where is he? Do you see him? Oh my gosh, so funny. Sometimes if you just ask nicely, people will cooperate with you or they will work with you and to make the situation better. That was very silly. I can't wait to read the next book with you all. Bye.